Hey YouTube, Gold Hunter here, and it's getting late at night here. Well, late in the evening, bugs are getting bad. I'm going to do a quick search of this tot lot, playground, see if we can pull anything out, and I don't know how long we can stay, and I don't know if we can handle these bugs or not, but we're going to see what we can do. Look, half a dinosaur. We'll leave that here. I think that's about right along the line of a penny, maybe, or a coin. Might be something deep that's not worth even going after. Look at that Pepsi can. Just a deep Pepsi can. Still a weird number, but okay. Well. Grab it in a bit. That's a jumpy one. We got a quarter. Canadian quarter. 2007. I wouldn't have guessed that to be a quarter the way that was jumping around. Another full Diet Coke. Somebody just buried a bunch of soda cans in the wood chips. The bugs are bad. All right, let's go back to the car and get the Minelab Vanquish 440 and see if we can pick anything up with it. So we didn't find much with the Simplex. We found 1/4. The bugs are just so friggin' bad, guys. It's not nice at all. All right, let's see what we can do for the bugs finally drive me out of here. I'm gonna turn my sensitivity down quite a bit. Showing 13 or 14 here. Thought I'd just maybe seen some foil. There's a little bit of piece of foil here. I don't know if you can see that. It just fell off. And this is definitely not going to pick it up. What is in here? Let's see. That was it. Still showing something here. 13, 14. Chances are we're not going to find it because I think it's probably foil, but that is also a nickel number. Well, this is picking something up now. The only problem is it's so deep that it's part of the structure here. No, it's a bigger chunk of foil. No, can slaw. Remember, this does pick up can slaw. Just does not like foil. Oh, the bugs are eating me. So, Vanquish has already found one item that the Simplex didn't. $16, $17 right here. And we just found another 1/4. It's a newer one. Simplex didn't find that one. In no means am I saying that this is better than Simplex. They're just different machines. They both have their pros. And their cons. This one has cons too. It has pros. Both have pros and cons. And there's definitely something here, and the Simplex picked up on too, but I couldn't find it. And we found it. It was a full washer. Well, I don't know if that's all there is down there, but there's a nice washer there. My guess is that's what it was. It was reading up an 8. Something really deep here, I think. And again, the Simplex was picking something up here, but not really, not enough to dig, right? Or this is got something going on. Of course, I'm not picking it up with this, so maybe not. Must have got it out. And there it is, the pull tab. $22, $23. If we find it. I think it's just too deep. Getting deep now. Oh, it's an old Diet Coke can. It's crazy. Yes, I'll pick them up and put them in the garbage before I go. Here's a 6. Simplex didn't hit that. Well, maybe there is nothing here. And again, it could be foil. We'll never find it. And here it is, a piece of foil, just like we thought. That's frustrating, you know, when you have people. So, well, that's going to be it from here. I don't know if I can handle the bugs to stop somewhere else in my home, but if I don't, I'm going to pick these cans up and put them in that garbage over there. And I'm going to see you guys on the next one, I hope. I want you to stay golden, right? Gold Hunter out. See you on the next one. Well, before I go though, let's just talk about the difference between the Simplex and the Vanquish. The Vanquish did pick up quite a few items that the Simplex just skipped over, right? But there's different reasons for that. And I do want to say the Simplex is still a great machine. And I'm sure if I went with this one first, maybe we'll do that sometime soon, and then we'll come back with a Simplex C, okay? So I'm sure if I went with this one first, I would have picked up something with the Simplex after, right? It's just the way it is. You're not going to pick up everything. That's why you just continue to do the same places over and over, because you know you're gonna miss stuff. So, all right, so we're gonna say gonna see you on the next one, I hope, right? I'm gonna say stay golden, guys, and Gold Hunter out.